Welcome to Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. Today we'll discuss wave equation. The topics covered will be the introduction part of wave function. We'll see its boundary conditions and we will see the examples based on wave equation. As we are discussing wave equation of one dimension, so let us see some basic concepts. Consider a perfectly elastic string at two endpoints x equal to 0 and x equal to L with uniform tension T. We displace it slightly from its initial position of rest and then release. Then the string will vibrate. The position of any point P on the string will depend on the distance x from the origin and on the instant time t. Its displacement is given by del square u upon del x square is equal to 1 by c square del square u upon del t square, where c square is equal to t by rho, where rho is mass per unit length of the string. This equation 1 is the wave equation of one dimension. We will need to remember this. Now we will solve this using the solution by Fourier series. Now let us see the boundary conditions. Since the string is fixed at endpoints, we are fixing the string at endpoints x equal to 0 and x equal to L. So for all values of time t, we have u of 0t equal to 0 and u of lt equal to 0 for t greater than equal to 0. These are the boundary conditions. Now let us move to the initial condition. The motion of the string depends on the initial deflection Fx and initial velocity Gx at t equal to 0 at point P. So we have u of x0 equal to Fx and ut, that means we will differentiate u with respect to t. So ut x0 will give this function as Gx for 0 less than x less than equal to L. We will again remember these 2 points. U of x0 will take Fx and ut x0 will take Gx. So u of xt equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity sin pi nx upon L an cos n pi ct upon L plus bn sin n pi ct upon L. We name this as equation A. Now let us move towards some example. In the above equation A, I will tell you later on what are an and bn. Okay. Now see first example. Find the deflection u of xt of the vibrating string of length pi. Here length is given as pi and the ends are fixed, corresponding to 0 initial velocity and initial deflection as Fx equal to k sin x minus sin 2x, given that c square equal to 1. What we have to find? We have to find u of xt. Length we are given as pi. Now see, since it is an example of vibrating string, so it will be a wave equation. So our wave equation is c square uxx equal to utt. We name this as equation 1. So initial and boundary conditions are u of 0t equal to, here length is pi, so we are taking u of pi t equal to 0 for t greater than equal to 0. These are the boundary conditions. Okay. Now what we are given is, we are given u of x0. What is that? that is fx. We already seen in the initial condition that u of x0 we are taking as fx, and that is given to us, that is k into sine x minus sine 2x. So if we differentiate this with respect to t, we will get ut x0 equal to 0. This is equation 2, and x is between 0 and pi. Okay. Now the solution of the given equation 1, that is wave equation, can be written as u of xt equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity sine n pi x upon L n cos n pi ct upon L plus bn sine n pi ct upon L. This is the equation, we have just seen it. Now we already written that utx0 equal to 0. That means gx equal to 0. So if gx equal to 0, then bn will be equal to 0. So the remaining part is only this portion, sine n pi x upon L and portion of an. So that I have written here. Since gx equal to 0, bn will be 0. So this whole portion will become 0. So we name this as equation 3. Now we will use here the initial and boundary conditions. We are using u of x0. That means in place of t, we will put 0. In place of t, we are putting 0. So that is given to us. This is already given to us. Okay. So in equation 3, when we put t equal to 0, we only have this portion, because cos 0 will become 1. So we have n equal to 1 to infinity and sine pi n x upon L. Okay. Now we will compare this two equations. So on comparing these two equations, we get here k sine x minus sine 2x equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity an sine pi n x upon L. So in place of L, I am putting pi. Now in next step, LHS will be as it is, and in the RHS portion, I will start putting the value of n as 1, 2, 3 and so on. So if I take n equal to 1, so I get here a1 sin x. For n equal to 2, I get a2 sin 2x. For n equal to 3, I will get a3 sin 3x. Now I will start equating the terms. Okay. So if I take the coefficient of sin x, so here the coefficient of sin x is k, so I am writing here k. Here the coefficient of sin x is a1, so I will compare it with a1. Now next I will take the coefficient of sin 2x. Coefficient of sin 2x here is minus k, so here I am putting minus k. On the RHS side, coefficient of sin 2x is a2, so here I am putting a2. Okay. Now rest all portions will be 0. Sin 3x, sin 4x. The coefficient a3, a4 up to an will become 0, since there are no such terms on the left hand side. So our equation 3 will become uxt equal to, I will put this all values in equation 3. a1 sin pi x upon L cos pi ct upon L. a2, I am opening this all summation sign, like putting the values of n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. So now here we have seen that from a3 to an all the terms are 0. So in this portion, I am considering all the terms together from n equal to 3 to n equal to infinity. Now I will substitute here the values of a1 and a2. So ux will be equal to a1 equal to k. So I will put here k sin x. Since L equal to pi, so pi will get cancelled. So I will get only sin x. Again here L equal to pi, so again pi will get cancelled. So I will just get cos ct. Now value of A2 is minus k, and again here I will substitute L equal to pi. Here also I will substitute L equal to pi. So I will be remained with the term sine 2x and cos 2ct. Now I am taking k as common, so I will get sin x into cos ct minus sin 2x cos 2ct. Now I will put here c equal to 1 because it is given in question that c square equal to 1, and that I have to consider always positive. So on substituting c equal to 1, I will get my final equation u of xt equal to k sin x cos t minus sin 2x cos 2t. Here it will become 2t. Okay, so this is my final required solution. Now let us take some note that if the string is initially released from the rest, then gx will become 0, and if gx equal to 0, bn will become 0. Second point is, if the string is in equilibrium position, then fx equal to 0, which implies an equal to 0. Now let us see what are an and bn. An is 2 by L integration 0 to L fx sin pi nx upon L dx, and bn will be equal to 2 upon n pi c integration 0 to L gx sin pi nx upon L into dx. So these are the 3 points which we'll remember to solve the example easily. Okay, now let us move with one more example. A tightly stretched string with fixed endpoints x equal to 0 and x equal to L is initially at rest in its equilibrium position if it is set vibrating, giving each point a velocity lambda x into L minus x. Then find the displacement ux. See, here we are given in the question that it is at rest in its equilibrium position. Now first, our equation will be utt equal to c square uxx. Now u of 0t equal to u of lt equal to 0. This is our boundary condition. Now since the string is in equilibrium position at rest, so fx equal to 0 and an equal to 0. If fx equal to 0, then ux 0 will be equal to 0. Okay, and what we are given? We are given the velocity. If whenever we are given the velocity, that will be our gx, which is equal to utx0, which is equal to lambda x into L minus x. Now since an equal to 0, we are only left with the term bn from equation A. We have seen in equation A the whole equation with an and bn. Okay, so an portion will become 0, so we are left with sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x upon L into sin n pi ct upon L. First we will find here bn, the value of bn. Bn equal to, we have already seen in our note 3 that bn equal to 2 upon n pi c integration 0 to L gx sin n pi x upon L dx. Now I will substitute the value of gx here. Okay, now I will take this lambda common out here. I am taking this lambda common, and I will multiply this x with this bracket. Okay, I am multiplying this x with this bracket. So I will get here Lx minus x square, and this sign term will be as it is. Now to integrate this, I have to use UV rule. So according to LIATE, this portion will be u and sign will be v. So first I am keeping u as it is. Integration of sign will be minus cos the whole angle, and coefficient of x will come to the denominator. So it will be n pi upon L. Now next I will differentiate u. What I will do? I will differentiate u with respect to x. So on differentiating u, I get L minus 2x. Now I will integrate this cos term. So difference integration of cos will be minus sine n pi x upon L, and the denominator will become square. I will take alternate sign. Now I will take positive. Now I will again differentiate this portion. So differentiation of L will be 0 and minus 2x will be minus 2. Now I will again integrate this equation. Integration of minus sign is plus cos. So I am getting here cos n pi x upon L, and the denominator portion will get cube. It will become cube. Now here integration is over. Now I will substitute the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. I will replace x by L minus x by 0. So here I am substituting everywhere x equal to L, and in next portion I am putting x equal to 0. So now after simplification and after putting the limit, I am here with 2 lambda upon n pi c minus 2 lambda cube upon n cube pi cube minus 1 raised to n plus 2 L cube upon n cube pi cube. Here L cube will get common and 2 I am taking common. So here I will get 4 lambda L cube. And from denominator n cube pi cube will be taken common. So here I will get n raised to 4 upon into pi raised to 4 c. So inside the bracket I am left with 1 minus 1 raised to n. Now we put this value of Bn in equation 1. So our final equation or required solution is u of xt equal to 4 lambda L cube upon pi raised to 4c sigma 1 upon summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 minus 1 raised to n upon n raised to 4 sin n pi x upon L into n sin n pi ct upon n. This is our required final solution. So this was the solution of wave equation in one dimension. Thank you.